Psychology terms starting with P. Parasympathetic, the branch of the nervous system that automatically calms us down when the reason for arousal has passed. Perception, the process of organizing and interpreting sensory information. Peripheral nervous system, the subsystem of the nervous system that does not include the CNS. Permissive, describes a parenting style that is characterized by the parent making few demands on the child. Personality, a consistent pattern of thinking, acting, feeling. PET scan, method of brain imaging using positron emissions. Phobia, fear. Phoneme, in language, smallest distinctive sound unit. Place theory, the idea that different sound frequencies stimulate different locations on the basilar membrane. Placebo effect, phenomenon that some people get better even though they receive not medication but an inert substance which should have no medical effect. Plasticity, the ability of the brain to adapt to damage by reorganizing functions. Pons, part of the brain, works with the cerebellum in coordinating voluntary movement. Neural stimulation studied in activation synthesis theory may originate here. Positive psychology, field of study which concentrates on good psychological traits such as contentment and joy. It also studies character traits such as wisdom, integrity and altruism. PTSD, initials representing a disorder in which one relives painfully stressful events. Preconscious, in Freud's theory, the level of consciousness in which thoughts and feelings are not conscious but are readily retrievable to consciousness. Preconventional, Kohlberg's stage of moral development in which rewards and punishments dominate moral thinking. Prejudice, a negative attitude formed toward an individual or group without sufficient experience with the person or group. Preoperational, Piaget's second stage of cognitive development, when egocentrism declines. Proactive interference, when prior learning disrupts the recall of new information. Projection, defense mechanism in which one disguises one's unacceptable impulses by attributing them to others. Psychiatrist, medical doctor who has specialized in treating psychological disorders. Psychoanalysis, Freud's therapeutic technique. Psychodynamic, term describes the perspective on psychology in which inner feeling and unconscious tensions are emphasized. Psychopharmacology, the study of the effects of drugs on the mind and behavior.